so excited that you're thinking about joining the Live Martial Arts training. Now, a little bit of information about myself. My name is Samery Morris, and I'm a 4th Dan black belt in Taekwondo, and I love to help martial artists reach their goals and train online. My passion from Taekwondo developed ever since I was super young. My family owned a martial arts studio, and I grew up learning martial arts even before I could walk. When I got older, I decided that I wanted to compete professionally, so I spent 6 years traveling the world, competing internationally in Poomsae and sparring, and had the greatest time learning different things about how to overcome my own fears, overcoming obstacles, setting goals, and just being able to do everything that you can to reach and train for those goals, no matter how far away they might seem. Now, while I was overseas training or competing at a tournament, I started making YouTube videos because I wanted to show my friends and family back home what I was doing. And this grew to something that I never thought would happen. We now have an awesome online community of martial artists that are driven and want to improve in their goals. So this led to this crazy new idea where I wanted to share all of my experience having learned and competed for so long, and basically just share it with everybody who wants to learn. And that's why I created Live Martial Arts, a way that I could give back and share everything, share my experiences that I learned through my time as a competitor and all my years as a martial artist. I want to make this training available to anybody. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, what age you are, what belt level you are. I want to be able to help anybody that wants to learn be able to learn and train properly. Now, the coolest thing about Live Martial Arts is, yes, you can have information and knowledge, but what's really cool is having a sense of community, keeping you accountable to all of the goals that you set out to achieve. When you're around other people that have that same energy and drive as you, it really drastically makes a difference on what you do and how accountable you keep yourself. So being part of the Live Martial Arts training, you get a monthly masterclass, you get weekly live Q&A sessions where you can ask any questions about your training and progress so that you can make sure that you're on the right track. There's also cool things where you get to just post questions at any time, and not only will I answer, but other awesome martial artists in the community can also help you out and share feedback so we can all help each other get closer to our goals. There's also one-on-one coaching opportunities, discounts on the elite martial arts training courses, and really the biggest thing is the support system that comes from being part of Live Martial Arts. It's $20 a month to become a part of this awesome group. You can cancel at any time, and once you do sign up, you'll get an email with information about how to join the Live Martial Arts group and congratulating you on taking your first step to really improving your martial arts. I'm so excited that you've decided to level up your training, and I can't wait to work with you on the Live Martial Arts training. See you guys there.